Good morning, my people. It's your girl Rosen here from Rosen Lawrence JM YouTube vlog. And today, as you guys know already, it is Get Ready with me in the multiverse. Welcome to my multiverse. And today in the multiverse, you're gonna watch me and my twin sister get ready for a mom grand opening. Yes, she's opening a store in downtown Kingston, Waterfront Ocean Boulevard. Kingston, Jamaica, that is. Okay, the store she's opening is a graphic t-shirt fashion line store. She's moving it from online to reality. So we're gonna get ready. You're gonna see my entire day until we reach our mom to get ready to help her dress the mannequins for our store. So that's it. Enjoy the day. Hi guys, it's your girl Roxy and I want to say good morning. Anyhow, so you're in our universe, so I'm going to show you what's up. So come with me and let's go to the closet. Here we go. So right now I'm going to be picking out an outfit. So we're going to be looking for the baddest outfit so we can show out. Okay guys, so I think I found the baddie outfit. So it's going to show up somewhere on the screen right now. Anyhow, so this outfit, red is one of my favorite colors and I love ripped jeans. So buy outfit. Guys, today's outfit is going to say fashion, it's going to say casual, it's going to say artistic, it's going to say business-like. The outfit I'm wearing will be on the side of the screen for you guys to see it. It's going to be on the side of the screen right now. So my outfit entails a black graphic t-shirt, says One Love with cuff sleeve, and a black schoolgirl skirt with a lace trim lining at the end. Hope you guys love my look. I'm going to go shower now. The first thing I do in the morning before I take my shower is that I comb my hair. These are all my hair product display here. I use my Denman brush, 2 rubber bands, and water. On the next shelf is some of our hair products, my hair oil, condition, shampoo, and body wash. Some of the stuff that we use to take the shower. I don't know if everybody this, but I like to sing when I'm combing my hair. Da dee da dee da dee da 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 da, the grass is green. Da dee da dee da dee da 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 da. My God, Bobby takes so long to reply to one text, like forever. Doesn't he see the text? My God. This is the full outfit on me. Don't I look pretty? Anyway, I'm gonna make my tea because I can't start my day without a cup of ginger tea. So that's what I'm doing right now. So for breakfast, I'm having ginger tea with a little bit of Jamaican sugar. And I love my bread and butter, brown bread with butter. Now I'm dressed and ready to go to my mom's store, and I'm telling you, this outfit is the bomb. It fits me to a T. I mean, awesome. Love it. Time for the road. Let's go. Roxy! Roxy! Come on, man. We're gonna be late. We're gonna miss our bus. Come on. Hurry up. I can't bother with her. She's always making us late. Roxy, come on! We're almost reached the mummy store. One is stating the obvious. I hate crossing this big street. So guys, this is our mummy store. As you can see, there are boxes behind us and naked mannequins. As we're about to help our mom unbox the clothing in the boxes and put them on the mannequin. But for now, this is where we end this vlog for today. So we'll show you next time the reveal of our mom's store or our clothing store reveal for this tour with the clothes and everything, and how we set it up properly with decoration and all of that. But for now, this is the end of it. So remember to like, subscribe, and share this vlog, and also comment down below what you guys want us to do next. With all that said, we'll see you on the next vlog. Bye bye.